For a long time, I waited to feel ready. I believed that readiness was something clear and obvious. I imagined it as a moment when everything inside me would align. My thoughts would be organized. My confidence would be strong. My doubts would be quiet. I thought I would wake up one day and just know, now I can do it. Until that moment, I stayed where I was. I prepared. I learned. I thought. I planned. From the outside, it looked like progress. But inside, something felt stuck. Because no matter how much I prepared, I never felt ready. There was always something missing. One more thing to learn. One more detail to fix. One more reason to wait. I told myself that waiting was smart. That I was being careful. That I was avoiding mistakes. But slowly, I started to see the truth. I was not avoiding mistakes. I was avoiding action. And that was a different problem. Because without action, nothing changes. You can think, plan, and imagine forever, but your reality stays the same. One day, I faced a situation I could not avoid. It was not dramatic, but it was important for me. I had to do something I had been postponing for a long time. Speak in front of people. Not a big audience. Just a small group. But for me, it felt huge. The old pattern started immediately. My mind searched for reasons to wait. You need more time. You are not ready. You should prepare more. These thoughts felt logical. They felt safe. But I had heard them before. Many times. And they always led to the same result, nothing. That day, I noticed something different. I didn't feel ready. Not even close. My heart was fast. My hands were tense. My mind was noisy. But I also felt something else. A small push. A quiet voice that said, if not now, then when? I didn't have a good answer. And for the first time, I didn't try to find one. I just decided to move. Not because I felt confident. Not because I believed I would do it well. But because I was tired of waiting for a feeling that never came. When the moment came, everything felt intense. I stood there, aware of my body, my breath, my thoughts. I could feel every small movement. Every sound seemed louder. Every second felt longer. I looked at the people in front of me. They were normal. Calm. Waiting. Nothing special. But in my mind, it felt like a big moment. I started speaking. And it was not smooth. My first sentence was simple, but even that felt difficult. My voice was not steady. I could hear it. I could feel it. I noticed every small mistake. Every pause. Every hesitation. My mind wanted to stop. It wanted to say, this is not going well. You should stop. But I didn't stop. I continued. Not perfectly. Not confidently. Just continued. One sentence became 2. Then 3. Slowly, something started to change. Not outside, but inside. The fear was still there, but it was not controlling me completely. I was speaking with it, not after it. And that was new. I realized something important in that moment. Readiness is not a condition you reach before action. It is something that grows during action. I didn't become ready and then speak. I started speaking, and readiness slowly followed. My thoughts became a little clearer. My voice became a little more stable. I still made mistakes. I still felt uncomfortable. But I was moving forward. And that changed everything. Because for the first time, I experienced something real. Not a plan. Not an idea. Not a future version of myself. But a real action in a real moment. And it was not perfect. But it was enough. When I finished, I didn't feel like I did something amazing. I didn't feel like I suddenly became confident. But I felt something else. Relief. And a small sense of strength. Not loud, not dramatic. Just quiet and real. I did it. Even though I was not ready. After that moment, my thinking started to change. I stopped asking, "Am I ready?" and started asking, "Am I willing to try?" That small shift made a big difference. Because readiness is passive. It waits. It depends on feelings. But willingness is active. It moves. It creates experience. I understood that if I continue to wait for the right feeling, I will stay in the same place. But if I act, even with fear, even with doubt, something always changes. Not always outside. Sometimes the result is small. Sometimes nothing visible happens. But inside, something moves. And that movement matters. I also learned that being not ready is not a problem. It is the normal starting point. Everyone begins there. The difference is what you do next. Do you wait? Or do you act? After that experience, I started applying this idea to other parts of my life. Small things first. Then bigger ones. I spoke when I felt unsure. I tried when I felt unprepared. I made decisions without full clarity. And each time, I learned something. Not always what I expected. But always something useful. My confidence didn't come from success. It came from action. From seeing that I can move even when I feel uncomfortable. That I can continue even when I am not sure. Now, when I feel that old thought, "I am not ready," I don't treat it as a stop sign. I treat it as a starting point. A signal that something is important. That something is worth trying. I don't wait for it to disappear. I move with it. Because I know something now that I didn't understand before. You don't become ready and then act. You act, and through action, you become ready. So yes, I was not ready, but I did it. And that changed the way I see everything.